There are many stalwarts who come to our mind when we talk about different sport. For example, in tennis there is Federer, Nadal, there is Mahesh Bhupati, Leander Paes. In football there is Messi, Ronaldo, there is Sunil Chhetri, Baichung Bhutia. In cricket there are many, so I'm not going to list them. But there is one more sport in which an Indian has been pushing the country's bar higher and higher for the past 2 decades. Now, this is a sport that you and I have at least played once in our lives, especially during our college days. Billiards or snooker. Now, at the international level, this is a very serious sport, and at the pinnacle of it all is a man named Pankaj Advani. Now, Pankaj Advani has been slowly chipping away at global glory for the past 20 years or more, and very few people know about him. He has won numerous accolades and titles in the sport, and so much so that if I start listing them right now, this video will go on forever. So instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you a story from his younger days that will help you better understand the kind of grit and determination that this champion has. When he was 17 years old, he faced off against the Asian champion, the current Asian champion in the Indian National Snooker Championship, in the final of that tournament. Now, he caused a huge upset by winning that tournament. Pankaj Advani then became the youngest Indian to ever win the National Snooker Championship. Now, this victory did not sit very well with many of Pankaj's seniors in the snooker circuit. They couldn't fathom the fact that a young teenager would go on to represent India at the international level and these guys would be left behind. So using their influence, they instituted a new tournament for the selection process and they changed the rules of the game. Now, when Pankaj found out about this, he obviously was devastated. But then he picked himself up and went to his coach, and you know what he said? He said, I want to make my game so bloody perfect that I go and beat all of these guys and show them that the national championship win was no fluke. And sure enough, that is exactly what he did, and there was no turning back from that point. All of this is just to help you guys understand the kind of mindset that these champions have. I mean, any other player in his situation would have run to the association, filed a formal complaint and tried to get his rights back. But Pankaj Advani, in his heart, knew that he was the best, and he showed it to everyone. And today, the legend of Pankaj Advani keeps on growing and growing and growing. He's just 35 years old, and he's not retired from the game, and he's still competing at the international level. So there are a few more pages left in his story, and boy, are we looking forward to it.